So I am sitting in my closet. I am not done with the space, and I won't ever be done with the space simply because I'm about to break all of this down, and yeah, it's gonna all be broken down. I am in the process of packing all of my wonderful things because I am moving. I don't know if I mentioned that earlier in the vlog, not sure, but I am moving. I'm moving. So I am getting ready to rent my house out for FIFA. So this is gonna be my first try with Airbnb. So wish me luck, pray for your girl. So I'm going to be getting out of my house. I have a lot of stuff to pack up that I have yet to pack up. Some of this I don't want to pack up yet because I might need it. Like, I want to leave some of this stuff out. I ordered these clear bags on Amazon. Oh, they're not big at all. They're this size. I've been seeing these and people packing clothes and stuff in these. I thought these were going to be a lot bigger. A lot bigger. And now I'm trying to debate if I want to keep these because this won't even hold my shoes. Like, this might hold. See, I thought I was going to be able to pack up some blankets and stuff like that in these today. But yeah, that is not what I thought it would be. Oh, do I need to send these back? That's what happens when you try to do something different. I might put all my t-shirts in here and keep these for some smaller things. But I thought they were going to be extremely large, and they are not. So, dang it. I can't even put, I was like, oh, I can put my shoes in there, my boots and stuff. And I might be able to, no, whatever. Anyway, yeah, today I am going to be doing some more painting. Y'all, I've realized, like, ever since I've been here, I have really not, you know how you know something's not your forever home? And I had this aha moment today. I was like, I've been in Atlanta 9 years, right? And I think it's been 9 years. I don't know. Or nine years. I'll say 9 years. And the only room in this house that I've really sort of completed was the powder room downstairs. Like, I bought this expensive wallpaper, put that up, had it decorated. I wanted to change the pedestal sink. I wanted to change the flooring. Never got around to that. The lighting, all of that. I never got around to that. But it's it's my favorite room in the house, honestly. But I'm like, I never got settled into this house. And maybe God was like, you're not supposed to settle because this isn't your final home. So it's really weird looking at it now because I'm like, my bedroom never got done. I ordered, like, the only thing we got was like a new mattress set in there. I never bought furniture for the bedroom or headboard. None of that ever got. I've never gotten any of those things. The only thing that I got done in here really was wallpapering this wall, getting these two IKEA closet system, pack system right here. I didn't get the finish. I got the light changed, but I never got the ceiling done the way I wanted it to. It's so weird because now looking back, like, in the moment, you don't think about it. And I was like, the first half of the few years that I was here, I was ripping and running. I was traveling like crazy. And like, now that I'm looking back, I'm like, I never got my house. I never made my house a home. And that is so weird to me. So weird to me now that I think about it. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. I might just go ahead and keep these. And again, like I said, I might just put my I might just, yeah, okay. I'm just gonna keep these and I'm gonna put some blankets, some clothing. I'm gonna probably put my shirts in here, my t-shirts, because I have all those t-shirts that I don't need to use right now. Like I just need some, not all, and I have a lot. And then what else do I need to put in here? I don't know. I'll find something that needs to go in here that will help me pack up my life and make it so much easier. But all right, I'm not getting sad because I know it's time to go. Do you know what I mean? It's just your plans aren't God's plans for your life. Let me just say that. This stack right here. Don't fall. These are all like traveling shirts, family reunion shirts, stuff like that. Like stuff I'm definitely not going to be reaching for. It has no... And honestly, I could get, you know what? But I want to get rid of some of these, but I'm like, I could use them to work in the yard. I could use, you know, stuff like that. I don't know why I'm holding on to stuff like that, but whatever. Like this one's when I went to St. Lucia. These are Dole, Hawaii. So... this is the Caribbean. Oh, Lord have mercy. See, these are just plain. You don't really need that. These are plain shirts. T-shirts, some faded, but again, I can sleep in them, throw them on to run out the house. Y'all, I'm so tired. And I think I'm just mentally exhausted because I am doing a lot. I won't cry because I feel like crying. Aunt Flo comes this week, so please ignore me. Ignore me. Packing my stuff. A lot of stuff in here. Okay, so I can't even fully open this door because I have a rack here. As you can see, a rack completely fell. So half of my stuff is on the floor. I took some down from right here. I've donated a lot, and then I have like a ton of sweaters. Like this closet is jam-packed and I need this to make sense. So today I am going to work on packing up the box, and I'm gonna put all of these sweaters in there. I'm gonna put all of these sweaters in there, and then and then I'm going to separate my summer clothes. Yeah, we just have a lot to do. So let's get started. All right, I'm gonna throw like a couple in there like that. Y'all, I picked up some of these cedar satchels from the store. That is for moths and stuff like that. And then I also have these spread throughout the box. So nothing will, you know, be interested in that. But yeah, this is some of the things that I do, like putting a couple of bags of these. And then I ordered these off of Amazon. So I've been putting these, like just dropping them down in the box. So this is another box that is ready to go. I am going to take one of these, put it at the bottom, and then I have to put all of these sweaters. Don't mind the carpet, I know it's dirty, I need a vacuum. I have this by the washing machine and dryer, so all the lint just builds up so fast. All right, so I put that in the bottom. Now I'm getting ready to put all my sweaters in here now and box it up. So I have a boutique, but it's we're kind of revamping some things. But I have these garment bags, so which works perfectly. Since this one has a garment bag, I am going to lay that one on the bottom because the rest of them I'm not putting in there unless it's like white or cream. So yeah, now I'm about to pack up this box. I am not gonna put these boxes in the garage yet. Excuse me. I'm not gonna put these in the garage yet because I don't want my clothes to get damaged with the weather, the heat, and stuff like that. So once I box these up, I am going to put them back in the master bedroom closet and leave them in boxes. So when it's time for him to come do the patchwork in the closet, it's only boxes in there. So if it's dust or whatever, it's not gonna matter. We can actually just move them out. But yeah, I don't wanna put these in the closet, in the garage just yet. Y'all, this is such a pretty color. It's like my favorite color. All that already. I love these coats. There are some nice quality coats and sweaters. Interested? This is the brand Paul Daniel Clothing. Well worth it. Look at that. This is a perfect winter coat. I find myself gravitating towards these coats, and they're actually men's coats. I find myself gravitating towards these before I gravitate towards the coats that I have, because these actually keep me warm and they're cozy. So yeah, I put it on the same one. And I might just put these in a separate box. I'm just gonna slide that one in and then put that one down on top of the orange one. So I don't know if the dyes will fade or not, so we're gonna do it like that. And then I'm gonna get a piece of cardboard. I have some cardboard downstairs. I'm gonna put across the middle. I didn't do that one. I should have, but put it across the top. So if I use a razor to open it, I'm not damaging my clothes. Do y'all see how these are cut? These were already cut, so he must have used them. But I'm gonna simply lay them like across the top, like so, like that. Let me show you. Because these were cut so small, I'm just gonna lay them across the top. So if I have a razor and I cut down, I'm not gonna be cutting into my sweaters. Yeah, these are the cedar balls that I ordered offline. So I'm just kind of throwing them at the bottom of the boxes. Packing up. This is all I have left in this closet. So I'm rolling up my cowhide rugs. This one's already rolled up, so I stuck a couple of these in there, but now I'm about to put these on this when I roll them all together. I'm gonna put one of the balls there and like 3 packs right here. I have been using like these stickers on my boxes, and then I have one that says fragile because I have a lot of acrylic desk organization in there. So yeah, like kitchen, heavy. I was printing these out, the kitchen and stuff like that. I'm gonna get some more stickers, but yeah, that's what it's looking like right now. Like, I try to be detailed on what's in the boxes. Some boxes, yeah, I'll have to show you in another video, but some boxes has literally, I don't feel like moving this. It has like pictures of what's actually in the box. So yeah, if you're interested in links to this, if you're moving or anything, I can leave it down below in the description. I also have a whole lot of packing paper for dishes or breakable items. Like, this is what's left right now because I'm still not done, but I have a whole lot of packing paper as well.